Hey guys, Gary from Automatic Door and Hardware. Thought I'd take it today and answer another question. Right now I'm here in Washington, at the ocean. Actually on vacation, but I thought I'd touch bases on this. A lot of people always ask us, what is the question in terms, what should I do? Should I replace the motor gearbox on an ADA handicap low energy door opener, or should I just replace it with a new one? Well, the problem with replacing just the motor gearbox is the price. It can actually run as much as $800 to $1,200, which that's the going rate. There's nothing wrong with just replacing it, but for about the same price, you could be purchasing a brand new Commander ADA door opener. And obviously the Commander, in my opinion, would be a better investment, because if the low energy door opener that you're working on has already failed, if you put a new motor gearbox in it, the motor gearbox will be good, but who's to say that the controller won't fail in another 2 months, or some other component, maybe as simple as an on-off switch or anything like that. And before you know it, you're being nickel and dimed for that door opener. All these parts cost money, and over time, that door opener that you originally purchased for $2,500, by the time you add a new motor gearbox, a new controller, you could be up at over a total investment of over $4,000. So that's why I think everybody should consider, rather than replacing the motor gearbox, go for a brand new door opener. Everything on it's new. The Commander's extremely reliable, heavy duty, and easy to install. It's UL certified, and it's just built for the industry. It's an automatic door opener that was designed to compete with other automatic door openers. It's not a residential interior style door opener. It's a commercial grade, heavy duty door opener designed to be installed on hollow metal steel doors, hospital doors, you name it. So if you haven't thought about that, consider it, because it would be a great investment for your door, especially if you're in a hospital where maybe a lot of times, like in hospitals or any commercial building, the architectural spec calls for a big name door opener brand. And a lot of these big name door opener brands, they get the job, they install it, but the building owner may not be happy with the quality. And when you have 50 doors with those door openers, it could feel overwhelming, especially if you start noticing all the motor gearboxes are going out. Well, our recommendation is to, as they break down, replace it with the Commander and slowly change them all over, because it's much easier to work on the Commander than a lot of these door openers out there. And I think a lot of people will find after their first install of how easy it is to install. The initial setup is self-programming. It's microprocessor controlled. I think you'll find that you'll enjoy it a lot, and it would save you a lot of time and a headache. All right, thanks guys.